Welcome back, everyone. And in today's forecast, we're going to be talking about the latest information regarding the upcoming blizzard for portions of Eastern Europe, more specifically over Ukraine. I'll also be giving you the latest information that you need to know about Winter Storm Cait in the United States. With this in mind, let's begin today's forecast. We're starting this off on Friday afternoon with that Arctic cold front right on schedule, extending from France into Eastern Europe, being followed by cold air and snow showers. As the cold air really works its way in this afternoon and into the evening, rain will start switching over to snowfall over Germany with widespread snow showers across a lot of northern Europe. As we head into this evening and the nighttime, my attention is going to shift towards the Mediterranean since we're going to have a powerful storm developing. Overnight tonight, heavy storms and rain will break out across Italy and parts of the Balkans, with precipitation coming in the form of very heavy snow in the mountains. On Saturday morning, the low pressure area will be deepening over the Adriatic Sea, continuing to drop heavy rainfall and snow. Heavy snow will start falling from Albania into North Macedonia and Bulgaria during the afternoon, and then by the evening, the storm will be over Greece. Very heavy snowfall will be occurring across the southern Balkans at this time, and as heavy rainfall extends into Ukraine, the precipitation will also start switching to snow. The system will continue intensifying over the nighttime hours with very heavy snow over Bulgaria and Romania. Once we reach Sunday morning, we're going to start seeing things escalate over Moldova and Ukraine as the system continues approaching. By Sunday afternoon, the storm will be located over the western Black Sea, which will help it to intensify further as it shifts into Ukraine. The system will make landfall around Crimea on Sunday evening and the night, with blizzard conditions across central and eastern Ukraine. Over Sunday night into Monday, we're going to see the storm start to weaken over Ukraine as it heads towards Russia. And then by the time we reach about Tuesday, the system will really be degrading by this point, so the winds will also start to weaken and we'll see the snow showers spread out more. We may see some snow showers make it all the way towards the Baltic countries, so with that in mind, let's take a look at the expected snowfall. For Northern Europe, you can expect widespread lighter snowfall since we're going to be seeing the snow come in the form of occasional showers. Some heavier and more widespread snow will be possible in southern Germany, Belgium, and as far east as Poland and Slovakia. For the Balkan countries, the heaviest snow will fall in the mountains, but some of the lower elevations in North Macedonia, Bulgaria, Romania, and Moldova could see some snowfall as well. Now, the main event with this system in regards to snow is going to be when it intensifies into a blizzard, and this will occur over the Black Sea. This will bring a well-defined swath of snow from eastern Moldova right into central Ukraine, and northward towards eastern Belarus and western Russia. This region in the green could see about 30 centimeters of snow, with as much as 40 or even 50 centimeters of snowfall in the yellow. This will be most possible in parts of central Ukraine where locally heavy snow occurs. As far as the wind potential goes, we can expect the strongest winds to occur over the North Sea, the Mediterranean, and of course all across a lot of the higher elevations. Anywhere in the yellow, orange, and purple will see gusty winds, and we see that across much of Europe. As the system explosively intensifies over the Black Sea over the weekend, we can expect some very intense wind gusts as high as 140 kilometers per hour over the open waters. Then wind gusts roughly between 60 to 80 kilometers per hour look probable across much of central and eastern Ukraine, which is exactly why I'm expecting to see a blizzard. So that's going to be all for the European weather segment in this video, but now we're going to be taking a look at Winter Storm Cait for the second chapter of this forecast. Winter Storm Cait is the name given to a significant winter storm we have ongoing for parts of the Rockies, and we will see this system slowly move across the Rocky Mountains today, with snow extending into western Nebraska and Kansas. The heaviest snowfall will be occurring in the mountains of Colorado, Utah, and New Mexico, with generally light to moderate snow in the plains. We're going to really see this storm take off on Saturday with heavier snow developing over Kansas and maybe even some freezing rainfall breaking out between the cold and warm air masses. The storm will continue organizing throughout the day with snow reaching Kansas City by the evening. Over the night, snowfall will spread into Missouri and Iowa, and eventually Illinois and Wisconsin, and this is when you really start noticing the speed of this storm increase. Then a cold front will approach from Canada, bringing some more snow and a reinforcing shot of cold air on Sunday, with snow spreading into the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. St. Louis, Missouri, and Detroit, Michigan may get some light snow out of this system on Sunday, with snow beginning over the interior Northeast by Monday. The storm should be moving out by Monday night, but the snow will continue thereafter, and this is because the lake effect snow is going to start up. These are the potential snowfall accumulations through November 27th, and snow is going to be widespread across the mountains, with some of the heaviest totals in the red area that I've circled. We will have a gap between the heavy snow in the mountains and the snowfall in the plains, so the high plains in eastern Colorado will see much lighter snowfall. Northwest Oklahoma up into Nebraska looks to see some of the more significant snow totals, and especially within the red area that I've circled, where a widespread 3 to 5 inches is expected. Places in the purple may see as much as 6 to 8 inches of snow, and this includes Dodge City, Great Bend, Ellsworth, and Manhattan, Kansas. Once you cross into Missouri and Iowa, the snow will be lighter and fast-moving, so about a dusting to a couple inches can be anticipated. Some larger cities that could get a bit of snow include Kansas City, Chicago, and Detroit. I also can't rule out a brief switch over to snow in this red area. Even though snowfall may not accumulate in this area due to warmer ground temperatures, you may see some flakes in this region. And then lastly, some freezing rain will be possible from eastern New Mexico into Oklahoma in the pink shade, although it shouldn't be enough to cause issues. If we were to see some power outages and tree damage from freezing rain accumulation, the most likely area would be northwest Oklahoma, where I expect the most persistent freezing rain, potentially lasting a few hours. This includes areas close to and south of Woodward, Oklahoma. That will conclude today's weather forecast for Europe and the US. So if you did enjoy this analysis, please consider subscribing to this channel for more information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.